Hello, my name is Cristian Dominguez, and today I'm joined by my team, which is Team 5, and we're going to talk about your experiment of pH. So let's start off by talking about what is pH. So pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a substance is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. pH of less than 7 indicates acidity in a substance, whereas pH of greater than 7 indicates a base. The pH scale is usually very useful when it comes to concerning water quality. Let's go with Sebastian to show us how the experiment is made.
Here we have the materials that we are going to use in the experiment. As you can see, we have here the cleaning product, the vinegar, the orange juice, the lemon juice, and the water. And right there, we have the hot water that we're going to use it here, the red cabbage, and then we're going to use the hot water and we're going to put them in the blender. Then we're going to blend it and we're going to filter the red cabbage and with the hot water.
Once it's already blended, we're going to put it in a filter and now that we already have the product, we're going to use a straw to put it in the cleaning product. We're going to put it some more. And then the vinegar. Then the orange juice. Lemon juice. And the water. And this is the final result.
What colors should you observe when basic, acid, or neutral? For the acids are red, orange, the yellows, low green, and the greens. And for neutral are only green and high green. And for the basics are the blues and the purples and the pinks.
So as we can see, the substances changed accordingly to their pH. We have that the vinegar turned orange, which means it's an acid. The orange juice, while it looks like it's pink, it's mostly red, which means it's an acid. Same for the lemon juice. The cleaning product turned blue. It's not quite perceivable, but it turned a bit blue, which means it's a base. Same for the water, which pretty much just became whole blue. So as you can see in our experiment, the substances changed color. But what prompted that change of color? Well, it turns out the red cabbage contains a substance called anthocyanin. This is the substance that is used in order to change the color. Now this happens because of the molecular structure of anthocyanins having an ionic nature. In an acidic condition, some of the anthocyanins appear red. Anthocyanins have a purple hue in neutral pH, while the color changes to blue in an increasing pH condition. This turns out to be quite a useful method to calculate the value of pH within a substance. Of course, this can be more accurate if you use a pH scale.
And well, in the conclusion, we can say that the experiment had a good result, since the cabbage reacted to the substance by changing their color. So for example, in the cleaning product, you can see that the green color, therefore it is an acid, and also with the juice of orange and the lemon juice that have colors that indicate that they were acid, and thus each substance with its respective color.
Thank you for your attention.